Hello, good morning, friends. Welcome back to Excel tips and tutorials. In this video, actually, I'm showing you a simple function in MS Excel, and that function is used to display the current date and time in a particular cell or in a particular cell. Okay, so there are many instances when you want to know the time and date of insertion of a particular data in a Excel cell. So the function that is used to get the current date and time is known as now function. Now, this is the function. Okay, now. So this can be used to get the current date and time in a particular cell. So I'll show you an example how we can get it done. Well, here I am entering some data. Okay, mm, A, B, C. Yes. It might be some data, some valuable data. So I want to in this column there are some actions. Okay, so in the column time I want to get the time when the action was executed. Okay, when this action was entered or when this data was entered into the sheet. So here I can use the now function, and the syntax of now function is like equal sign now, opening braces and closing braces, then click on enter. Yeah, so here you got the current date and current time. It's 8 February and it's 6 a.m. in the morning. Similarly, you can track down this data to get the current date and time for other actions. So this can be used to calculate the difference between the time, and a lot of other activities can be done using this formula. So this will be helpful for you if you are using Excel on a regular basis. So that's all from my side today. So this is a small and simple function, so I'm not going too deep into it. So I hope that you like the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and also provide your valuable feedback through the comment section. And if you are coming to this channel for the first time, please make sure that you subscribe this channel. And while subscribing, kindly click on the bell icon so that you will get further notifications whenever I upload new videos onto this channel. So till I come with my next video, please stay tuned. Bye.